So it recently occurred to me that most people have no idea how much YouTube pays for videos that get thousands or millions of views from placing ads on the videos. Hey, I got a question for you.
What's that?
So how much do you think a video on YouTube with over 400,000, let's say 430,000 views, how much do you think that video made?
It's hard to predict because I've never done it. Probably $5,000.
How much money did YouTube pay the person of that video?
430,000.
430,000 views.
Less than like 500, I would say.
Less than 500?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. All right, well, you'll find out here in a minute.
I also recently asked the question in my YouTube community, and I had over 595 people give their best guess. And you know what they guessed? 32% said $1,000. Well, I actually have a video that has received just over 435,000 views at the time of this recording, and the number so far is, wait for it, $5,841.58. But here's the deal. Every video is different based on the topic and the niche. Shelby Church, who's a lifestyle vlogger, did a video on how much she makes from some of her videos that get 1 million views. And it's quite surprising.
So here's the interesting thing about making money on YouTube. You can have several different videos with 1 million views that make very different amounts. So generally, what I found to be the case on a video with 1 million views is that it makes about $2,000. That's just what I think is the average.
Now, Shelby Church, her video also inspired me to make this video because I think anyone considering starting a YouTube channel probably wonders what they can actually make. So she said her average is $2,000 for a video with 1 million views, which means that my video would be way above her average. Now, if we look at another YouTuber, a well-known YouTuber that is, Graham Stephan, who's in the personal finance and real estate niche, he posted a video sharing his numbers for a video that had over 1 million views, and the numbers were higher than mine.
So anyway, as you can see here, a 1.2 million view video made me $7,293.02.
So why is this? Well, basically, YouTube advertisers pay per 1,000 views, also known as the RPM or CPM, and depending on the niche or topic, it can range from $1.50 to $100 or more per 1,000 views. So let's do some simple math. Let's just say that the RPM was very low at only $1. Well, my 435,000 viewed video would have only received $435. Now, if the RPM was $5, it would have earned me $2,150. So how did my video earn over $5,800 from ads? Well, I got paid just over $13 on average. That was my RPM. Now, in my case, I'm in the money niche, which is on the higher end and makes more money in general. My video averaged over $13 per 1,000 views. Now, the other thing I did realize is that RPMs will fluctuate depending on advertisers and the time of year. Typically, you are going to find that Q4 is the highest earnings due to the biggest shopping period of the year. Advertisers have money to spend and they want to capitalize on Q4 shoppers, and they want to use that money up before the end of the year, tax time. Now let's look at my one video that got 435,000 views, and let's see the RPMs and how they varied over time. So here we are inside of my analytics, and I wanted to show you over the life of the video how it's really performed and why when I say things can kind of fluctuate, they can really kind of fluctuate. So if we look at the very beginning, the very first day that it went live, it was at $6.28 per thousand. And you can see if I just scroll over here, it didn't get much better. If anything, it got a little bit worse. And then it went down even lower, $3.77. But then check this out. It went from $4.24 all the way up to $20. Well, here it was $16. And then here it was $20.53. And I think at the highest point right here, it was $30.82. But look at this. It dropped all the way to $8.83 this day. Why is that? I have no idea, other than the advertisers on certain days have bigger budgets, they're willing to spend more, and that's how it's going to fluctuate. So when I say that the numbers are all over the place, they are really all over the place. And if we look at this right here, this is our average RPM across the entire time that the video has been live. But if I go ahead and take this to the last 28 days, let's see what it's done there. It's at $20.13. Not too bad. Let's go ahead and see what it's been the last 7 days. Well, it's been $23.10. So it's actually gotten a little bit better. And I like that. So as you can see, the earnings are all over the place. But the cool thing is we can learn from our own analytics and we can look at videos that paid more and potentially do future videos on these topics. So here we are in my analytics. I wanted to really show you other videos and kind of how the RPMs can really fluctuate on my account. So this is the last 28 days. And you can see this is that video that's doing really well. It's got over 435,000 views and it's averaging right now $20.13 in the last 28 days. If we go here, this is $14.39. This one's $17.28, $22.02. So you see, if I just scroll here, they're kind of all over the place. But what I like to do is I like to see what ones are performing the best. So this one right here is $27, and that one there is something that I might want to do another video on. Check this one out. $42.96. And this one here was for my 3-step Etsy holiday hacking strategy. $42.96. Should I probably do another video on holiday hacking? Well, I probably should because the holidays are coming and it seems like something that pays very well. This one here, $29.49. This one here, $26.22. And then this one right here, $42.45. Not too bad. Now, is that one getting a ton of views right now? No, but it also allows me now to say, should I create another video addressing this topic? Maybe. Here's another YouTube influencer that I found, and she shared her numbers, and I just want to go through them with you real quick so you can see how much they fluctuate. Now, her name is Catherine Manning, and if you look right here, this is her RPM, and you can see this is $18.41, this is $13.90, $16.18, and this one here is $58.99. That means she's getting paid for every 1,000 views, $58.99. Why is that? I'll tell you why. Because affiliate marketing, that is where people are willing, I say people, businesses, brands that are into affiliate marketing, they want to get in front of her audience or these people. So they're willing to pay more, and that's $58.99. So should she create more videos on affiliate marketing? Maybe, if she wants to. I'm not saying you have to just go after videos that pay you more, but it's definitely something to consider and something definitely to look into. So at the end of the day, YouTube is pretty awesome. We get to create content that people enjoy, and YouTube pays us when people watch it. It doesn't get much better than that. Plus, they give us all the data in our analytics to learn so we can make better decisions moving forward. Now, getting paid from YouTube ads is just one of several ways to make money using YouTube. And I actually shot a video right here that shares how to start a YouTube side hustle and turn it into multiple passive income streams. If you're interested, watch that video next, and I'll see you there.